Hi, Inez Simpson here, and I'm on the beach in Vancouver Island. And this is getting late October, and we're having absolutely gorgeous weather. Mind you, it's not too warm anymore, but it's astoundingly beautiful as you see the mountains quite clearly. Everything is just so bright. Anyway, I'm loving it here, but I'm also thinking of how great it's going to be teaching again, because I'm off to the UK in about a week. And then off to Australia after I do an Irish training. And I really want to thank Jacqui Dornan for starting that ball rolling, because she started that rolling, and I'm doing a Perth training first, and then we're going to Sydney to do some training, and then Melbourne. And I will be in Brisbane area also, visiting my friend Tony Kiprius, and maybe we'll do something there, maybe small thing, or just have fun. I don't know, but I'm really looking forward, and I have to thank Jacqui. I mean, that's just great, and I'm really looking forward, because this is the first time I've ever been to Australia, and I have quite a few friends in Australia, and that was part of the reason they were asking, when are you going to come, when are you going to come? Well, here I'm coming in. We'll be in Perth in November. No, late November, I guess. I can't remember the exact dates. They'll be down below. You can't trust me on those things anyway. And then we'll be teaching in Sydney next, and with Lance Baker, who I have to thank. He's been awesome so far. And my dear friend from Facebook, of course, is Marina Makushev, who's in Melbourne, and she's such a doll. Can't wait to meet her in the flesh, because we've been friends for quite a few years on Facebook, and it's really going to be fun. So anyone who knows me there, I'd love you to show up, or even just, we'll be on the same time zone. We could always talk at least.